Somebody said he cute. I started hard. I'm like, nigga, this nigga got real fans. This nigga. Hey y'all, come on, man. Get this shit tuned in. Finna get this shit busting. Starting off with Sean McLaren.
Then we could do that shit for a living.
Hold on, Sean. Come on, man. Come on, Sean. Come on, Sean. My nephew about to roast your ass. Gee, we just had everybody in here just watching this shit.
Who was everybody?
Everybody. Look,
Well,
go live with nephew.
How many views did he have?
Just wait, Carl. Just wait right here. Nephew no good right here. Just talk. Chill, man. What up, nephew? I'm finna get his little fat back ass on here right now. Milk Dud, where you at, Sean?
Hurry your ass up, boy. Cause you.
Hold on, Sean, where you at? Come on, you about to get. Sean, where your ugly ass at? Niggas is waiting on you. Or next in line, Michi. What's up? You want them to see what you look like?
I want him to see what I look like.
Somebody approved this nigga. Steady trying to jump forward. There go Sean. Here he is, nephew. Here he is, nephew. Here he is, nephew. Come on, man. This shit, damn, Sean, you got an old ass Android phone. Your shit taking forever to get in this bitch. Look, ain't shit connected.
My game, boy. What's up?
Ooh, oh yeah, hey, now go ahead and tilt your face like this for that nigga nephew, cause he about to gun you.
Bro, boy, I'm about to bake dude ass, boy. I'm finna get on his tobacco eating ass, boy. That nigga smell like cow manure and tobacco guts with his ugly ass.
He
boy.
said, hey, Nephewnogood said stand up and turn around. 4360 for the camera. You gotta do it. It's hella viewers. Car, stop.
G, you got 4 viewers, nigga.
He told, hey, tomorrow told my nigga, wait till I get out the shower. Oh yeah, we're about to go down tonight. Hey, he said stand up. Nephew just wants you to stand up. That's all he wants you.
Boy, I'm playing the game, boy.
G, he wants you to stand up real quick. Can you stand up for the camera?
Nigga, I just stood up, boy.
You said what?
I just stood up, G. I'm playing the game. I can't multitask like that.
Nah. He said, what'd you say, nephew? He said, show him that gut you got. He said he could tell you built like a turkey.
Boy, he don't get his blunt stick built ass to fuck up out my face, boy. His ass is built like.
He said have to go live.
Hey, just stand up for the camera. Then can we get to stand up for the camera? We know you flee.
G, I got on
motherfucking
Adidas sweatpants. I got on Adidas sweatpants and a black tee.
So why you mad about standing up? Can you stand up and turn around for the camera, G? So the nigga can bake you. Nah, he trying to see your body. He hiding something, y'all. Ooh, what's that? Cum juice?
No, it's when I was paying for that $15 an hour, boy.
That boy painting his damn shirt. Yeah,
shit.
Now I got to add nephew in. He about to get on your ass. Nephew, come on with it. Now you see what he look like. Come on with that. Hey, Michi, you next.
Boy. You did wrong. Fuck out of here, boy. Where the fuck you found him at? Boy, you know he don't take baths. You know he don't take baths. Plus his house smell like straight piss. Straight dookie. Fuck out of her. Boy, I need him go live. Like right now. Yes, sirs. Cause he got it fucked up now. Right now.
Sean, go live, bro. Add me in that bitch.
Hey, bro, we just having fun. Get your fat ass up on there and go live.
Hell no.
Boy, your bird stink, boy. Fuck's wrong with you? Plus he got on 2 weeks ago socks.
out of here, boy. Sean, where you go? Hell no. Hell
Fuck
no.
out of here.
Hell no. Hey, Bleak, G, this nigga. Oh, there you go. He watching you now. Fry his ass.
Nah, don't watch me. Get your fat ass on live. Cause I'm gonna roast you. You damn wrong.
Oh, shot.
He done fucked up. Boy, Lord, I'm about to pray for him.
Oh, shit. Sean,
I'm about to
you
pray
got
for
Shell
him.
coming on with that dirty ass t-shirt.
No, fuck the t-shirt. What the fuck going on with his body? I need him to go live ASAP. Cause this shit gonna get real.
He talking about seesaw smelling ass. Oh man, we need to get
This shit finna get real.
Look, Bleak dying.
Hey, man, have him
Sean,
go
come back
live
on the
right
live real
now.
quick. We want to hear what you got to say, Sean. Come back on the live, man.
Nah, tell him go live.
I'm finna call you right back. Nephew funny as hell, man. Y'all gotta fuck with this, man, G. Y'all add him here, make your night. Sean, go ahead and try to. Come on, Sean. We wanna hear what you got to say about that. That boy done fried the shit out your ass. He said your ass smell like piss. He said your ass look like you smell like piss. Oh, you declined it? He don't want no smoke, nephew. His ass scared. Me too. Motherfuckers just called me and shit. Damn, why you gotta call me? Trying to fuck up my life? Yeah, what Soulja Boy said? Bitch! Drake! 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 Fuck is wrong with you? Wanna hide the world from the kid, but
No, I need him go live like for
he don't
real.
want no smoke.
Nah, he need to go live. He fucked up.
He told me he after this game.
Fuck
Boy, you
that
weak as hell.
game. Fuck that game. You need to go live.
Go live, Sean, with your stinking ass.
For real.
Hey, me,
He got slob all on his shirt.
Hey, if y'all want this turn, if y'all want y'all to turn on this bitch to try to flame
Hey, this is how lame he is. Hey, this is how this is how lame he is. He gonna write that bullshit in them comments, but ain't gonna go live.
If y'all want to flame this nigga, man.
Man, if y'all want roast, go add me. Fuck all that.
Oh yeah, I got somebody coming. They want you. I'm finna add them in right now.
No. They gotta add me. They gotta send me a friend request.
He finna try to flame me when they get back on. But hold on, I got somebody else for him real quick. Michi, come on this bitch, man. Come on this bitch, man. Don't be scared. If you decline, you scared. You scared if you decline. You scared of a puppet? That's you about to tell me, G, you scared of a puppet? What you mean? But then everybody can't see it. We can't live it. Oh, he's scared. These niggas scared. Nephew done scared him off. I know somebody who ain't scared. DeMario. I know somebody who ain't. Gee, somebody not finna be scared.
He just added me back.
Nephewnogood? Yeah. He added you? Yeah. Oh, Michi, you scared? Come on.
Bro, he beating the shit up.
Come on. Hey, whoever want to bake, get in this bitch. It's going down. If not, y'all scared. Fuck out of here. I'll roast all you niggas. Especially Sean. Your ass smell like.
Yeah, I added your lame ass back, boy. I added your lame ass back, boy. Cause I'ma roast your little Jackie Chan looking ass.
I talking about you.
Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Boy, you fucked up. And I know it's she try to add me too. Boy, come over here. Come a little closer. Come Come a little closer.
No, don't run.
I ain't running. He can front.
Boy, you look like Will Smith's son. Fuck out of here.
Bro, you using a puppy.
Who is that, Jada?
You're a puppy.
You're
a grown man.
Boy, you look like
toy.
a crackhead Jada Pickett. Fuck out of here. Plus your jacket stink. Fuck out of here. Plus you got them tight ass pants on.
Damn.
You dead wrong.
Damn,
Boy, your pants is shredded up. Fuck out of here.
Bro, you're using a puppy. I just don't understand.
Plus, let me see your shoes.
My shoes are dirty.
What are those?
Watch out, Nico. Go on, Nico.
Come a little close. Bring him a little closer. Look, let me see them shoes. Go all the way down.
You let me click on my damn power button, y'all. I got y'all though. I got you.
Fuck you.
Nah. He got them fake ass Jordans on. Throwing bitches on the power line. What the fuck? Boy, what you put your clothing, your shirt, and put them together? Fuck out of here. Plus, they ready to talk. Boy, they drowning. Your shoes is drowning. They look soggy. Your shoes is soggy. Fuck out of here. Plus, your pants is shredded up. Hey, let me see his hair. Boy, we got the same hair. Fuck out of here, boy. Boy, you know better. You know better.
Alright, I'm done, bro.
You know better.
You good.
Plus your mustache stink too. Dark ass mustache.
Bro.
Get his ass, Dante.
You can't fry someone fucking toy.
Boy, come on, Jada Pinkett. Boy, you need to take your motherfuckers off. Throw them bitches away.
Bro, you're a toy. Who the fuck is buying a toy? What the fuck?
Who's a toy? Who's a toy?
Your shoes are fake.
Hey,
Your whole body fake, nigga.
I gotta say one thing though, man. It look like he bought that damn jacket off the Kanye West clothing line. Homeless ass jacket.
No. Hey, he got his little brother's jacket on.
I thought you got a little brother jacket on. Keyshawn jacket.
His whole outfit's tight. And I don't mean they tight as fly. They tight than a bitch. Fuck's wrong with your Jordans?
What's up, sis? Oh shit.
Hey, what the fuck you keep finding him at?
Oh shit. Who he look like, little baby?
Nah, he look like Will Smith's son, a little girl.
Fuck you.
Oh hell no.
I can't even roast him. I can't, cause he's already embarrassed. Look at him. Pretty Ricky ass type ass boy. Boy, you pretty Ricky. Fake ass 6'9".
Pretty Ricky.
Fake ass 6'9". Boy. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on over there?
A lot of shit, man. Especially this
He's
nigga
over
shoes.
nervous. Look at him. Fuck's wrong with you? Boy, your Jordans look like a pillow. Boy, I bet you taking motherfuckers off, they stink. Plus your socks is dirty. Your socks dirty. Take them off.
They ain't dirty.
Take them off. Take them off there. Take them off there. Take them off there. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. All the way in the camera. All the way in the camera. Hell no. Watch out, Nico.
Bro, this is the funniest.
Get your big ass on. Go.
I don't care what anyone says. This nigga funny as hell.
Gee, this nigga. Get on, Nico. Watch out.
That's crazy. What even?
He baking your ass. He said your ass look like Will Smith's son.
That nigga just fried the fuck out of me.
Gee, who the fuck you try to call me?
Bro, that shit was funny as fuck.
Oh shit. What he look like again?
Where's the lighter at?
I don't know. I think Martel might have took it.
Hell no.
Hey,
Yo.
I couldn't hear it. Hey, you know his shoes stink if the dog's right there. Dog piss on his shit. Fuck out of here.
New people coming every second.
What are those again?
Okay, talk about something.
Get him
Man, we need
Hey,
a new yo.
Yeah, get someone else, nigga. Get the blonde.
It's morphin' time. It's morphin' time, fake ass
You
shoes.
talk about more. How many views y'all got? Only 6.
It's morphin' time. It's morphin' time.
Hey, Darrell, come on this bitch, G. I'm finna send you an
Boy,
invite.
you did not get
Hey,
them from no
nephew.
shoe.
Hey, nephew, no
Boy,
good.
you
You
did
gonna
not
like
get them
this
from
one.
no Foot Locker.
You
got
definitely
them
gonna like
from
this one.
the shoe carnival. That
I don't give.
motherfuckers lean on
This
me.
thing.
I carry on.
on me.
Fuck out of here.
I got you, nephew.
Boy, your shoes is syrup. Them motherfuckers is dry. Them motherfuckers is done for. How the fuck?
Oh, y'all.
Your girl know better. Your girlfriend know better.
Oh shit, man. We gotta get somebody else on this bitch, man. We gotta get somebody else on this bitch, man. I'm gonna bring Nephewnogood back, bro. I think he say somebody new. If anybody into my life, I'll bring you on. God,
I don't care, nigga.
he go bake
That's
you.
the funniest
Whoever
nigga
you
alive.
are.
That nigga is flaming people with a fucking puppy.
James Wise, you said James Wise. Tell him to add into the broadcast. I got him. I'm gonna put Nephewnogood on his ass.
Niggas will not be able to fry that nigga, period. He's a puppet. What can you say?
Nephewnogood. You definitely got one mad with his power line ass Jordans.
No damn sense. It just makes no sense.
He got them power line Jordans. Now I gotta bring him back because talk about you can't fry a puppet. Back to get on your ass.
Nigga, what can I say?
He's mad.
Oh my gosh, god damn. The fuck?
He big mad.
No, fuck, he beyond mad.
Don't he look like he just farted?
No, he need a bath. Dirt ass boy. Boy, his pants is shredded. Somebody been biting the shit out of him. Fuck, what the fuck
got attacked by a pack of
wolves?
wolves?
You trying to be a skateboarder?
Bro, I don't care. That shit's crazy.
You trying to be a skateboarder, bro?
Low key.
What kind of phone is that?
Hey, tell him I'm zipping his jacket.
Unzip your jacket. What tie for the what tie?
Oh yeah, he a crybaby.
Fuck you, nigga. I'll beat your ass.
Turn the light back on. Turn the light
You
on.
a fucking toy.
Hell no, this boy get his
Who else is in there? Who else is in there?
My dog.
Cause I'm gonna give it. You said what? Nah, it's more people in there. Nah, fuck that dog. He look like, boy, look at the dog. Like, I gotta be on your side, boy. Cause he just got your ass.
Ugh.
Hey, where fat ass Sean at?
I got y'all for the add him to the live right now.
You know Sean? Oh.
I got Sean. He wants your ass, G. You better stop running. Stop running, Sean. Hold on, let me put that on my live. Hold on, replay that. He said you got eyes like this, nephew, no good. Right. He said your shit do that.
You do that.
You better get on his app.
This nigga's like a real person.
Sade try to get in. He's scared. Anybody, just he told bring me back. He finna try. Mama. I got you, bro. Definitely got you, bro. Oh, hold on. Sean joining real quick. I think we got Sean joining. Oh, shit. We got Sean joining for real. Oh, nephew about to get on your ass again, Sean G. He declined. Sean declined.
Sean elbow. Oh, he talking about his robotic elbow. Ooh, hey, this nigga got an inside.
You know how our shit been this way, right? His shit don't been that way. I got one for you, nephew. Oh God!
That nigga worked out.
That nigga did.
Hey, quit. I ain't trying to
Nigga, quit. Quit.
Hey, boy, go back on them shoes one more time.
Go back on them shoes.
Boy,
I don't care.
I guarantee you, your feet hurt. Them motherfuckers is small. You stopped at the baby gap section. Fuck out of here. Boy, you got on Tyler shoes, boy. Fuck out of here. Hey, put your finger on the tip of his shoes. Them motherfuckers is small. Them motherfuckers hurt. Fuck out of here. Them motherfuckers hurt. Look at the dog like, I'm your bodyguard.
He's about to piss on it.
I know. If I was a dog, I'd piss on him too.
Fuck that nigga.
Oh, shit.
Boy, you done stole your little sister's shoes and dogged them out. Fuck out of here. Them motherfuckers is lean. Them motherfuckers is drowning. Them motherfuckers is drowsy. Them motherfuckers is leaning. Them motherfuckers is dead. Them motherfuckers got diabetes. Them motherfuckers got arthritis. Them motherfuckers is done.
Okay, that's nigga, there's only
Let me see them toes.
Yeah, show them feet.
Why the fuck would I show my
Take off them shoes. You scared?
Show your actual face.
Look at him. He over. Man, he need to go put on a dress.
Show us all how y'all got the same hair.
Yeah,
Show us your hair.
See your hair.
Yeah, straight like that. Fuck do you mean?
Right the fuck.
Fuck do you mean?
Hell,
Boy,
Put your hair,
boy, you
put your hair in the
come.
camera. Put your hair in
Boy,
the camera, nephew.
bro, I'm dead.
fuck do you mean?
Fuck.
What up, twin brother? What up, twin brother?
Little twin brother.
Bro, I'm fucking dead. I just got worried about.
Boy, my shoes is flying in yours.
Hey, oh, he talking about my shoes flying to yours.
What his shoes look like?
My shoes flying in yours, boy.
Yeah. Hey, Sean, tell
I swear,
James
I
that.
swear.
Tell James the
Dog
motherfucker
gonna
go,
piss
go
on
ahead
him.
and get in this live.
I'll go piss on him.
Alright, bro, I ain't finna front you. Y'all asking for
Hey,
me.
Sean, tell James to get this live, bro. I'll definitely bring him on.
You
I got you,
trying
Boy, you
nephew.
need to go ahead. You need to go ahead and scribble on them shoes.
Hey, shit happened.
Them motherfuckers is done for. You need to throw him.
Oh, shit. Hey, Sean, man. Go ahead and have James get on the live if he want to get in. Get in. Anybody can get in. If you get in, and if you're gonna get on your ass, I'm just letting you know that. So don't join if you don't feel like getting baked. It's gonna be worth it though, because he's gonna bake your ass. Yeah. Look, Jay, look, she knew. She knew. She did not want to get on here. She did not want to get on here. Look, decline. Everybody decline it. Oh my God. Where is I know we gonna get on here.
Wait, Marquis Shields is watching you?
Yes.
I mean,
Marquis Shields is watching.
no, I don't think so. Then, I mean, it says 600 people right here, but is that the people you tagged or something?
No, you talk about watching. Hey, Sean, get James in here right now. Tag him. Tag him. James Wise. Yeah. Have him comment in this motherfucker. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Bring James Wise. Here we go. Here we go. Hey man, when you get on this motherfucker, you better start. You say what you gotta say to nephew. James Wise. Come on to the camera, man. Don't decline me. He declining me. He ain't on shit, man. He talking about, come on, bro. Live.
Nigga, I don't care. That
Jamie,
shit's
come on
just
to the live.
comedy. That shit's hilarious.
Come on, Janice, come on to the live. Come on to the live. He talking about fat dude lame. He talking about viewers. He want to tag Skino. Come on, Skino. Oh my mama, if him, oh my mama, they gonna break the shit out of Skino. He talking about you can't go hard on the cookie. Ain't nobody trying to join, man. Motherfuckers getting flamed. Come on, Devon. I ain't got your face on here. Devon, there you go. Who all watch it? Michi, come on, folks. Come to the live. Yo ass spooked. He's too. Anybody can come to the live. If you join, you can come to the live. Who watching? I Trey. Who watching? Is Trey watching on the live? Or add him to the live then?
Housing.
Comment if you want to get on the live. Comment. I'm ready to move, boy. Comment if you want to get on the live. Unless you tell a nigga I'm not joining.
Wait,
He tell about he wasted our time. Scared. He tell me, bro, all right, hold on. Hurry the fuck up, Michi. Hurry the fuck up, Michi. We about to bring nephew back, man, cause y'all scared. Comment.
Boy, hold on.
They get baked by his ass comment.
Hey, tell him come back. Tell him come out that door.
Come here,
I call his ass.
Come out that door.
I call his ass. Come on out that door, boy. Boy, get out the dress room. Get out the dress room. He's hiding in the closet. Yeah, look at the dog. Want to go get him. Go get him, boy. Come on out that closet, boy. Matter of fact, we going in there. Take me in there.
Take you in there? I got you, man. I got you. I'm going to take you in there. Oh, he gone. He did the race. We finna go see what the fuck he doing, man. Oh, yeah.
Hey, son. Hey, bro. Don't get on her and waste my time, boy.
I heard his voice.
I ain't got time for that shit.
I heard that nigga voice. This nigga ain't never hiding in the bathroom. My man
in
been
the
taking the shit.
The fuck? Hey, y'all go add me, support me, go to YouTube.
Yeah, support him.
Instagram.
Uh-oh, we got somebody joining. Yeah, Michi, come on. You said, all right, hold on, come on. Let's go. Come on. Oh, I got a guest coming. Ooh, Goo. Uh-oh, we got Devon back. Come on, Michi. But now you wanna join when that nigga leave. You funny. What you owe? Hey, beat up, folks. I got something for you. Just you try to bake his ass. Oh God, I got something for you. I'm trying to lie. What'd you say?
Talking to me?
A beat ass watching. Beat ass watching, Mister. I'm finna bring him on, man. Hold on. Wait till nephew get back in here. Wait till Nephewnogood get back in here, boy. It's about to go down. He on the live right now. It's about to go down. Oh God, it's about to go down. The fuck you wearing that fake ass Louis Vuitton? Hey, Darrell, G, get on his ass, G. Get on his ass. Now you can see him, Darrell. Get on this Michi gang right here. This Michi gang, Darrell. Get on his ass.
Hey, this nigga's live by
Get off
himself.
my.
G, tell him come back. It's cracking now. Comment on the shit. Tell him come back. It's cracking. Tell him to come back. Tell him to come back. I got viewers. Alright, y'all. I'm finna add this puppet back, man. He on his way.
Hey, he's trying to fry Sean.
He trying to fire Sean?
Yeah.
Sean on his live?
I don't know. He say, hurry up, Sean.
He told hurry up, Sean. G, Sean, tell him Sean on my live. Tell him come on back. I'm finna add him in. Tell him to come.
Go live with me.
He trying. Nah, don't do that. So you don't roast your ass. Hey, tell him to come back, man. Hold on, man. I'm finna put motherfucking nephew no
Nah,
good.
you a goof.
Hey, he talk about Sean, you a goofy. He talk about Breachy fat and uncomfortable. He told me who you lied so. Who you on live with? That was Michi ass motherfucking Demetrius. He bad son. What that nigga nephew no good at, man? He playing games. What he on? Is he still live? Who he baking? Man, I'm finna go to nephew shit. He trying to invite somebody, tell him, man, Sean, you stink on my baby.
I think he's gonna join your live.
I already know he on his way.
Yeah.
He on his way right now. He on his way right now. Nephew no good on his way, y'all.
Bro, that
Oh
nigga
God.
be trying to go.
Nephew no good on his way. Alright, so now I can add it. Hey, Michi, come on back. He talk about how you switch up though. What you talking about, fool? You finna get this shit. Oh yeah, nephew back in this bitch. On God, he back in this bitch. Michi scared. Michi, come on, Demetrius. Come on back. We finna get this bitch busting. In my head, I know what I know. Yeah, hey Michi, nephew back in this bitch. I'm finna put beat on right now. Oh God, I'm finna put beat on right now, boy. That shit funny as hell. I'm finna put him back in there. I got you. Don't be hiding from my attention on the line. Man, they running.
Damn, they let your wife be.
Who?
Them niggas.
No, they said tag on when nephew come back. Finna add nephew to the live right now. To add nephew right now. I nephew on your shit. I seen you. Everybody came
Man,
except you left.
hey, on some real shit, they wasting my time. That's like
They
wasting my
scared.
time.
They scared. I'm tagging them now.
No, fuck that. They need to go live.
You said we need to go live? Come to your live?
They need to go live so I can get on the live.
Where this nigga be at? He talk about thrift store shopping ass. Sean, you talk about thrift store shopping ass? I'm finna get Sean on the live. Sean, join the live one more time.
Boy,
Show us that body.
you know they shop at the Goodwill.
Hey, I got one for you, nephew, right now. Yeah. Mom, I got one for you, nephew. No good. Come on in here, Darrell. I gotta holler at you. Rizzo 2-4. Come on in here, Rizzo. Come on in here, Rizzo. Rizzo, you scared? You scared, huh? Oh yeah, you scared. You scared. You don't want no puppet to roast your ass. God, he see what happened to Buddy ass over here with the power line shit. Got his ass baked. God, I ain't got nothing to say. What you mean? You just gotta show your face for a couple seconds, bro, and then get off. That's all we need. Show your face for a couple seconds. She gonna bake your ass. Scary. Oh, me, y'all all scary. Fuck you talk about. Sean, you definitely scary. Sean, you scary as hell. There it is. There he is. Sean, come on back to the live. Demetrius, come on back to the live. Y'all scary, bro. Y'all wasting time.
This nigga Trump is tripping.
Man.
He's trying to say it's fine for if the people are gay, you can fire them from your job.
Fuck that post to me. Bro, he need to
Trump
go
trying to
live
stop
on
that.
God. He
He's
need to go
saying
live, bro. They spooked though. Oh, they go to one. Got this little comedian shit going on. This nigga funny as hell. Sean go live, big. He told a big girl. Called your ass a big girl. The bitch. Oh yeah, there go my homie Demario. Come on live. He told I'm back. Come on live. Yeah. We got one. He told Dewan told what up? Watch this shit, Dewan. These niggas, this puppet funny as hell. He about to bake my man a joint.
John G.
Hey, the puppet about to get on your ass, boy. Nephew no. Oh yeah. Nephew no good about to get on both of y'all ass. What up, Rick?
What up, nigga?
Y'all ass on. Y'all
What's up, bro?
y'all commit subliminals and shit on Facebook Live.
You lame as hell.
What y'all on, man? Hold on, put your face in the camera all the way for the puppet to see. Oh, this nigga connection bad. This nigga connection bad. This nigga went under a tunnel or something. Fuck going on there? We gotta take him out as puppet there now. We gotta add the puppet there now, too. They tripping. We gotta let my man's connection come back. Oh shit. Nephew no good, you scared. Demetrius, come on.
Nigga, you keep inviting me. I'm about to roast your little bean head.
Demario, he on your ass. Bleak, he on your ass.
Hey,
Yo.
who is them? The four brothers? But it was only two of them.
Oh God, it was two ugly ass niggas, huh? What? Yeah, they back in this live.
Now,
What they?
hey, now some real shit. If y'all want roast, go send me a friend request. You feel me? I be going live. You feel me? Cause y'all scared to go live.
Hey,
It ain't nothing.
hey,
To
my
go
man.
about, you
Hey,
feel me?
my man said he about to get on this bitch and roast your ass real
But
quick. Them two
how
getting
the
on
fuck
here.
they gonna get?
Man, they're playing games. Right? Come on back, Demario. Get on that puppet ass. And he ain't got no teeth either. Get on his ass, bro, cause you done disconnected and shit. Niggas going under tunnels and shit. He told me I'm not coming back. Alright, man, we finna move this shit to motherfucking Nephew No Good live. We finna move this shit to his live. Hey, Eric, make sure all y'all add him though. Make sure all y'all add him. We finna move this shit. Or if y'all really want it, go live, add him, go live, and tag me in it. I'll be on my way. Alright, y'all, I'm out.